Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sort your messages in Slack you by the most recent. So if you want to sort them by the most recent, you can easily click your account on the lower left hand side, then go to the preferences, go to where it says home, and you want to scroll down. There's going to be a section that says sort, and you can sort by most recent. So once you select that, then your most recent messages will show up in the sections, and you'll be able to see them in the sidebar. So this is how you can easily sort. You can sort by priority as well. So depending on what is priority, you can see that. Or if you just want to go ahead and just sort by the most recent, you can. And by default, it has the alphabetical. So you'll see that things are in the alphabetical option right there, right? So go ahead and choose the sort by most recent, and this is gonna help you to have all your information sorted by the most recent on Slack. And that's pretty much it, guys.